Today I am reviewing the AEXPXO Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a gaming desktop that offers a powerful balance of performance, cooling, and reliability, the AEXPXO Gaming PC Desktop is definitely worth a close look. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5700X processor, this machine packs a serious punch with 8 cores and 16 threads running at a base clock of 3.4 GHz, capable of boosting higher underload. This CPU is well regarded for its impressive multi-threaded performance, making it not only a great choice for gaming, but also for productivity tasks like video editing and photo editing. Complementing the Ryzen 7 is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, equipped with 8 GB of GDDR4 memory. This GPU brings ray tracing and DLSS support, allowing you to enjoy modern AAA titles at high settings with smooth frame rates. Whether you're diving into fast-paced shooters, open-world adventures, or visually demanding strategy games, the RTX 4060 can handle all with solid 1080p and 1440p performance. One standout feature of this gaming PC is its cooling system. The AEXPXO model includes an advanced ARGB cooling setup featuring 4 copper heat pipes and an additional ARGB fan. This design ensures your CPU stays cool during those long gaming marathons or intensive workloads, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining peak performance. Plus, the customizable ARGB lighting adds a stylish aesthetic that any gamer will appreciate, turning your setup into an eye-catching centerpiece. Storage and memory are also well addressed here. With a spacious 1TB NVMe SSD, you get lightning-fast load times for your games and applications, plus plenty of space to store your favorite titles, creative projects, and media files. The 32 GB of DDR4 RAM running at 3200 MHz guarantees smooth multitasking and fast responsiveness whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on demanding software. The power delivery in this system is both stable and efficient thanks to a 550W Gold certified power supply. This means you get reliable energy with less heat and noise, as well as protection for your components. It's a quality PSU that provides peace of mind during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. For connectivity, this PC supports Wi-Fi, making it easy to connect without wires, which is perfect if you don't want to be tethered by Ethernet cables. The system runs Windows out of the box, ready for you to jump straight into your games or work. Last but not least, the AEXPXO Gaming PC Desktop comes with a 1-year warranty and free lifetime technical support. This level of support adds confidence for buyers, knowing that help is available should you encounter any issues. In summary, the AEXPXO Gaming PC Desktop is a well-rounded, powerful gaming rig designed for both gamers and content creators who want excellent CPU and GPU performance, efficient cooling, and plenty of fast memory and storage. Whether you're streaming your favorite games, editing videos, or simply enjoying immersive gameplay, this PC delivers strong performance with a stylish look and reliable support. If you want a gaming desktop that's ready to go right out of the box and won't let you down, the AEXPXO model is a smart choice for 2025.